What is up, everybody? This is Moritz here from Section Store once again, and a few days ago I stumbled across this section right here, and I used this as inspiration to build something like that for my own store. It's a little test store of mine. I even took the next step and included this nice looking animation, and with that comes the image and the text and this little Shop Now button, which is a CTA, and I'm going to show you in a few easy steps how you can get that for your very own store. And let's say we just jump right into it. The first thing I did for that is that I got the Section Store app. It's a component library with over 320 fully customizable Shopify exclusive components. And the one I have been using for this tutorial is the image with text 14. That is the one. You can see a little example of it right there. And there are many different ways how you can design it. Just a few examples. You can even do it horizontally. And yeah, it does come with a one-time charge of $9. That means if you bought it once, you're gonna own it forever, no subscription or whatsoever. And at the end of the day, you have all the customization options in the world. It's a big time and money saver because you're not gonna need an expensive developer to custom code that one for you. And yeah, you got persuaded by that, and after successfully getting the section, head back to the My Sections area of the app, where you have to install it to the theme you're using. In my case, it is the Dawn Light theme, but it does work on every theme, so don't worry about that. And what we're gonna do is get rid of this one and start completely from scratch again, so you can see the whole process of designing and installing the section as well. So to actually install it into your theme store, you just have to scroll down, click on Add Section, type in image with text, and easy as that, we should have it already. And that is the one we've been looking for. Just always make sure you save the section up every now and then. Like that, you can avoid running into any errors. And the first thing I would like to do is actually bring all the content in position. So I want to center this on mobile and on smartphone. And now I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I also want to have it aligned in the middle right here, because I do think it looks pretty nice and straightforward. So now we want to implement the picture we saw in the beginning of the video. There we have it. Let's just chug it in right here. Yeah, that is looking perfectly fine. And now I would like to change the background to this gray tone right here. And to give it a little bit more space, I want to add some padding as well, so the image stands out a little bit. Nice, now we have some padding on all sides. This is looking perfectly fine. And the last thing I want to do now is, of course, change the content to our likings. It is a fictional shoe brand, so of course the content is going to be about shoes. The shoe you need. And yeah, here you can do some customizations to the whole thing as well. Here I would like to change the color into green. And here I'm just going to leave this text for now. But yeah, if I click on it, you can also see you can change the font, the text size, and the text color, which is looking fine to me. The button, I also want to show you some stuff. Instead of learn more, I want to do shop now. Here I can set a link as well. If I have any shoe product I want to relate it to, just going to look for one right here. I can simply link it to that. Also, we can use a custom font there. So this is immediately getting changed. And I want to change the button text color to the green as well. And the border color too. And if I hover it, the same thing is going to happen. And yeah, this is pretty much almost it. The last thing I would like to change is that little animation right here. So if I click on it, I can change the scrolling speed. So now it's a lot slower. And I would also like to change, if you're not happy with the icon, you can just upload your own as well. Make it smaller, make it bigger, whatever you prefer. And you can also change the color of that. So if we switch that up, it's all going to be in green. And if you want to, you can even hide it, animate it, whatever you name it. So yeah, let's save it all up, have a final look at it in the live version, and then we can wrap this one up already. So let's give it a little reload. And the one we just did is that one, which is working perfectly fine. The link is working as well. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Hope you guys found that useful. And if you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.